go through this short review of the Toshiba Canvio Connect 2. This comes in 3 capacities: 500 gigs, 1 terabyte, and 2 terabyte. I'm just gonna show you how this external hard drive looks like on the hand. This particular drive is a 2 terabyte and comes with a 10 gigs cloud storage. You can connect to a USB 3. It has backup system and recovery. You can connect it to either Mac or PC. Other information we have here, well, it only includes the quick start manual, the cable, and the external drive itself. Okay, so here are the manuals, simple manuals. It's in English, in Spanish, in French, also Portuguese. What else do we have here? This is the cable, USB 3 cable, and the actual item itself. This is the external hard drive. Big capacity in just a small package. This is just about it. Hopefully this gives you enough information on what this item looks like.